Hi everybody, it's me, Teacher Siobhan, and welcome to my channel. In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at some business English. So if you need to make a conference call or attend a business meeting, then this lesson will help you with your speech. Let me share my screen with you. People who work. Employee, someone who is paid to work for someone else. Worker, someone who does jobs, especially low-ranking jobs. Part-time, someone who has a part-time job, works for only parts of each day or week. Colleague, someone who works with you, used especially by professional people. Co-worker, someone who works with you and has a similar position. Home worker, someone who does their job in their home. Let's go to the next one. 20 English phrases for conference calls. How to start a conference call. I would like to welcome everybody here today. Thanks for attending. Could you all, when speaking, state your name clearly? Please indicate, say, which office department you represent. How to interrupt a conference call. Sorry, would you mind if I asked a question? Just to clarify, are you saying that? Could I interrupt you for a minute? Would you mind if I jumped in there, please? Can I stop you for just 1 minute, please? How to ask for clarification in a conference call. Could you speak more slowly, please? Could you repeat that again? Or could you repeat that last bit, please? Could you speak up, please? A little louder? Could you explain that again? Could you explain that in layman's terms? Non-technical language? I didn't get that. I am sorry. Could you say it again? Other useful phrases. Can you leave it with me? I'll find out and let you know. I think you might have misunderstood me. Very good, everybody. And that was our lesson in business English. I hope that those phrases help you in your future business ventures. Before you go, please be sure to hit that subscribe button below, leave a comment, and be sure to give that like button a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining me today. See you all next time. Bye, everybody.